Welcome to CodeWP. In this video, we're going to give you a quick overview of our free offering and how to use it. Users on the free plan can generate up to 10 complex snippets using the WordPress PHP mode per month. This quota resets every month on the day of your registration. We built the free plan for freelance creators and WordPress professionals that encounter a few tough problems per month that CodeWP can help with. With it, you'll get a good understanding of the capabilities and overall usage of our platform. To get started, ensure that you're on the Create interface and then enter the key combination Control or Command P. You can also click the Generate Prompt button. This will open the prompt input. Enter what you want to do in plain English and click the Generate button. This will send a request to our general WordPress AI mode, create the snippet based on your requirements, and populate the editor interface with it. Experiment with different variations of prompts. For example, you can ask our platform to create complex WordPress queries, unique shortcodes, functions for use in larger plugin projects, and more. If you just want to try it out, you can click the example button in the lower right-hand corner of the prompt input. This will populate the input with a random prompt seed that you can then generate from or modify to your liking. The quality of the code generation depends heavily on the specificity of the prompt. Our platform is robust and trained on millions of lines of WordPress code, so even basic prompts like create a shortcode that shows the upcoming weather for the week will typically tend to work. However, you'll get better results with a prompt that's more specific. For example, create a shortcode that shows the upcoming weather for the week based on the location of the user. Get the weather information from the Open Weather API and the user's location from their IP address. Use an API to convert the IP address into location information. In the shortcode output, only show the temperature and sky condition. In the shortcode arguments, allow the user to override the location. This prompt is great because it's a lot more detailed and gives our artificial intelligence where to get the data from, what to do with it, and how to manipulate it. Once your generations are completed, you have a few options. First, to help our platform improve, rate it good or bad by clicking the thumbs up or thumbs down button in the toolbar in the upper right. We use this data to continually train and improve our AI modes. If this is the perfect generation, you can save it to your favorites by clicking the star button. You can also download the snippet in JSON format, which can then be imported into popular code snippet plugins like the free code snippets or the paid scripts organizer plugins. You can open the snippet in a new tab by clicking the Gen ID in the upper left corner or Control-Command-O. By going to the Your Snippets tab, you can look through all your generations, favorites, and public snippets. There's also a robust library of public snippets that are verified to work by the CodeWP staff. When you're ready, you can upgrade to the Pro plan, which offers unlimited generations, allowing you to experiment with different prompt styles and iterations, as well as several different generator modes and AI modes. With your free plan, you can take a look at the modes available to Pro users. Each mode is specifically trained on the codebase for the specific language, technology, or plugin. What that means is that you'll get hyper-specific and incredibly accurate generations for the product that mode is intended for. For example, here's a demonstration of what the Oxygen Builder Conditions mode can create. In addition to the AI modes, paying users have access to two other generator features which are pretty powerful. The first is the Edit mode, and the second is the Explain mode. The Edit mode allows you to create edits for generations and existing snippets. For a generation that you have just created, you can switch into the Edit mode and ask our platform to change something. You can also search for an existing snippet, insert it into the editor, and then create a prompt that way. For example, this snippet works, but it uses an insecure way of processing data. With the Edit mode, I can ask our platform to make this generation more secure so somebody can't run malicious code when submitting through the form. The Explain mode is intended to give more context on what a generation does and how it works. Using a conversational interface, you can ask questions about what specific pieces of code do and even ask for code examples for inspiration. Together, this suite of 3 modes, including generate, edit, and explain, make for an incredibly powerful WordPress code snippet generation workflow. And when you pair it with the rest of our platform, which includes advanced snippet management, sharing capabilities, and education, the Pro plans have a lot to offer. We hope you enjoy using the CodeWP platform. If you have any suggestions, feedback, or issues, don't hesitate to contact us using the help button in the upper right of the generator interface.